Flood warning in effect from late tonight to early Thursday morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Schuylkill River at Philadelphia. When? From late tonight to early Thursday morning. Impact. At 10.4 feet, Kelly Drive is flooded and closed between North Ferry Road and the Falls Bridge. At 11.0 feet, Kelly Drive is flooded and closed between Hunting Park Avenue and Falls Bridge. The Fort Rock area is flooded. At 11.5 feet, Route 1 off Ridge Avenue is flooded and closed. And Allentown Drive is flooded and closed between Greenland Drive and Montgomery Drive. At 12.0 feet, Main Street in Manila floods in the area of Church Lane. At 13.0 feet, Main Street in Manila is closed from Ridge Avenue to Lavington Street. Additional details, at 9 p.m. Tuesday the stage was 8.2 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late tonight to a crest of 12.2 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow evening. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 12.1 feet on October 9, 2005. http://www.weather.gov/. Safety flag.